Hey, what's up, YouTube and TikTok? So there's this case called the University of Idaho Murders. I'm sure you guys are aware of it if you've been watching the news in the past couple years. But as we all know, there's been two victims in the case that were inside the house, Dylan and Bethany. They were the roommates. And there's a lot of conspiracies around them for some reason. I don't know. But I just, regardless of the conspiratorial factors, because I don't really want to infringe on people's right to believe whatever they want, because we have free will. We can kind of think whatever. But this video is more aimed at the usage of artificial intelligence and stuff to degrade the victims. If that makes sense. And there's this channel that has been doing this for quite a bit, and it just really makes me sick, and I wanted to make this video to share it because I don't think it's right. But for example, on this video, all of his intros, well, not all of them, but most of them have some type of hint towards some type of person that was involved in the case, in a nefarious way. So for example, if you watch this intro, that's Jack D, which is Kaylee's ex-boyfriend. And then on this one, this is Kaylee, which is a victim that was stabbed over 30 times, I believe. And it feels so wrong that he's using AI to generate them in his conspiracy videos. And then this one is Bethany, which is a victim, and she was the surviving roommate. And look at the AI on this. I don't know, it feels so wrong to me. I just wanted to record this and share my thoughts. I don't think this is right at all. I think we need to leave the victims alone and stuff. So just wanted to bring light to that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.